doctors and the lawyers don't think it's funny, but living next door to white trash with money. Well, I was born on the wrong side of the tracks. I quit school early and I never went back. The rich kids all looked down on me, said as good as them was something that I'd never be. Started playing my guitar, earned a few bucks, singing my songs to the room full of drunks. A record man heard me down at Kitty's bar, so come on to Nashville, I'll make you a star. I might be on this old white train. I sold 1 million records, made a little cash. The doctors and the lawyers don't think it's funny, but living next door to white trash with money. Cheaper than it's ever been. The radio plays all the railroad songs. I lay around the pool listen all day long. This country boy's life sure turned out swell. If the neighbors don't like it, they can all go. Well, everybody been born to this old white trash. I sold 1 million records, made a little cash. The doctors and the lawyers don't think it's funny, but living next door to white trash with money. What you reckon the neighbors would say if I put us a couple of pink flamingos out there in the front yard? No. Well, you reckon they ought to throw them old tires away or just paint them white and plant flowers in them like they do about in Indiana? There you go, white trash with not much money left, a couple wealthy ex-wives. You know, speaking of that ex-wife that sold that house of mine, I've written several songs about that old gal over the years. Early in the relationship, wrote some of the sweetest love songs ever put down on paper. Here's one I wrote as we was going through the divorce. I'd come to see a whole different side of that old gal at this point. Of a mule. Come time to put this on the record, I thought she might sue me or something over it, so I got Mo to sing it. I suck her every minute. So here's Mo to sing a song I wrote about the plaintiff, the man I am today, Mo Thaxton, for you. string. Bring me another narrative. You got one back there, Ben.